Hi students, now I am going to teach 12th standard physics volume 1 lesson 1 properties of electric lines of force. So already we discussed about electric force, the force between two charges. The charges either be positive, negative, negative, positive, 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 negative, negative, exert, attract, repel each other. So this attraction or repulsion force in between the two charges is called electric force. This electric force is a imaginary line. So now we will discuss about properties of electric lines of force. Electric lines of force starts from positive charge plus Q and end negative charge. The electric lines of force from positive charge is moves outward or radially outward, is shown in the figure 2. From negative charge, electric field lines move radially towards or inward. This is shown by figure 2. So finally, electric lines of force starts from positive charge and end meets at a negative charge. This is shown by figure 1. Then point 2, the electric field vector at a point in space tangential to the electric field line at the point. That is, the direction of E gives the tangential the line drawn from the point of electric field lines force. Next point, the electric field lines are closer, E is large. The electric field lines are far away, E is weak. From this point, near the charge, the electric field lines are crowded. So, near the charge, the E is strong. In middle of the charge, electric field lines is far away. So, E is weak, electric field is weak. Next point, the electric field lines never intersect each other. Next, the number of electric field lines that emanate from positive charge and end at negative charge is directly proportional to the magnitude of the charge. Next topic is electric dipole. It's a very important 2-mark question. What is electric dipole? Two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance constitute an electric dipole. Example, carbon monoxide, hydrogen, water molecule H2O, ammonia NH3, hydrochloric acid HCl. In this molecule, the two equal and opposite, that is the protons, electrons, are separated by small distance. Is not coincide. That molecule is said to be dipole molecule. Dipole means two pole, two charges, positive charge, negative charge, never coincide. It separated small distance is called dipole, electric dipole. So from the diagram, minus Q charge plus Q charge, two charges equal opposite direction. It plays some distance, the distance 2a. This is called electric dipole. Another important point, electric dipole, positive charge, negative charge never coincide. It is permanent dipole. So, it's a very important 2-mark question. Define electric dipole. Give some examples. Next, another important topic is electric dipole moment P. So, from the diagram, minus Q charge plus Q charge is separated by small distance 2a. O is the midpoint of the two charges. A, distance between O and minus Q. Another A, distance between O and plus Q. So here P vector represent electric dipole moment. So electric dipole moment is defined as the magnitude of electric dipole moment is equal to product of magnitude of one of the charge and the distance between them. T vector is equal to q into 2a, charge into distance. SI unit is coulomb meter, cm. The direction of electric dipole moment is act from minus q to plus q. It is a vector quantity. So this is very important 2 mark question. Define electric dipole moment, give its unit.